Meaning of dramatic irony.
Dramatic irony.
Dramatic irony.
Dramatic irony.
Dramatic irony. Dramatic irony is a literary technique in which the audience or reader knows more about a situation or outcome than the characters in the story. This can create tension and suspense as the audience waits for the characters to catch up, and can also lead to a deeper understanding of the story's themes and messages. The result of dramatic irony is often a sense of dramatic tension and anticipation, as well as a greater appreciation for the cleverness and craft of the writer.